How many restaurant you have now?
Right now we have this year I think pag mid-year na siguro we'll have mga 19 restaurants all in all with several brands. I think we have mga 7 to 8 brands already.
Ini-imagine mo ba na aabot ka sa ganun karami?
Hindi talaga gusto ko lang mag-open ng restaurant. I just really love what I'm doing. I'm just really passionate with everything. Not just with food, not just with cooking, not just with but in general, I love my life now. Natutuwa ako sa mga taong nakapaligid sa akin. Kaya di ko na-imagine na dami ng ganito karaming restaurants ko. I think relationships are very important with my friends, with my business partners, with my family. Kaya siguro binibless pa.
Tapos anong sikreto ng isang Marvin Agustin? Bakit nagkaroon ng ganun karaming restaurant and businesses?
I really love what I'm doing. I really love food. I really love hosting. Yung service is a passion to me. Gusto ko nagpapasaya ng ibang tao. So, hindi siya secret eh. That's how I really live my life. I enjoy life. Like you sabi, enjoy life, live life, love life.
Tapos ano pang aside sa restaurant, aside dun sa entertainment business, ano pa yung nasa isip mo na soon na gusto mong gawin?
Right now, ito lang muna, restaurants and yung entertainment company namin. Yeah, I'll focus on those businesses first. I like them because we provide happiness through food and through entertainment.
Tapos Marvin, kung meron kang pakakainin na isang popular na artista, mapa-local man and mapa-international, sino yung gusto mong makatignan ng specialty mo?
Mapa-local o mapa-international?
Sige, local and international na lang. Sa local natin, sino yung gusto mong makatikim ng...
Well, si Ann Curtis ay lagi kami nag-tweet niya at saka lagi kami minsan nagkaka-textan and isa siya. Isa siya sa mga gusto kong because I heard she really loves food. She loves to eat. Nakasama ko na yun sa shooting eh, malakas kumain. So, hindi ako mahihirapan pakainin si Ann.
Alam niya yun, na gusto mong
Ngayon pa lang.
Ngayon pa lang.
Ngayon pa lang. Dahil tinanong mo.
Kung sakali, ano yung gusto mong pakain kay Ann Curtis sa specialty mo?
Specialty? Well, I have this dish really popular to my friends, yung cocido ko, yung Spanish cocido. So, I can make her try that.
Sa international naman.
International? Diba? Siyempre si Taylor Swift.
Bakit?
I like her. I like her songs. I like her personality. She's so down to earth. And, well, of course, she's very beautiful. So.
Ano yung pakakain mo kay Taylor Swift?
I'll bring her to my Japanese restaurant. I'll bring her to Sumo-san.
Tapos, kamusta naman yung shooting nyo nung
Marathon.
commercial?
Ito? Okay. We're done with all the boards already. Nagawa na namin yung Iloilo. Nagawa na namin yung Laguna, yung Manila. What's coming out now is a teaser of what will happen on those 3 cities, 3 locations.
Tawag dito is a series.
Series siya.
Tawag dito. Ini-imagine mo ba, 'di ba maraming mga artists na top endorsers? Iniisip mo ba so na you will become top endorsers kasi nasa food business ka?
Sana. Sana. Pag ganun laging nagiging well, since nasa restaurant business ako, nagiging credible din lalo yung mga restaurants ko that na napagkakatiwalaan tayo ng mga malalaking brands. So, yeah, if I can be of service to any of the brands na naniniwala rin ako lalo na ginagamit ko. Yeah, of course.
Anong masasabi mo mako-contribute mo sa NOR after being ambassador ng NOR? Ano yung may i-contribute mo sa kanila?
Well, nung pinag-usapan nga namin maraming chefs but there are only few that they can name na makaka-relate yung masa. makaka-relate yung tao. And I guess they see me as somebody that the masa would listen pag ginagamit ko yung brand, pag gusto ko yung brand, gusto ko yung produkto, makikinig sila na kung ano yung message na gusto nilang ipasabi.
In ano ba, kung offeran ka ba ng network na maging na cooking show, papayag ka?
We're cooking up something already.
Meron na?
We're cooking up something.
Ibig sabihin may coming.
Yes.
Hindi pa pwedeng sabihin.
Hindi pa.
Sekreto pa
Basta
yun.
soon na.
Ano masasabi mo ron katatapos lang nung Junior Master Chef ng ABS-CBN?
Oh, I really
Anong masasabi
enjoyed
mo
that
doon?
show. Yung sa cable ko pa napapanood din sa Australia, tuwang-tuwang-tuwa ako sa mga bata at galing na galing ako sa show kasi they develop young chefs now. Masarap and they're making it fun for the kids. Parang hindi sila matakot dun sa culinary na salita. Kasi minsan parang sinasabi nila na it's so complicated, hindi siya pambata. Ngayon na parang ito napapanood na natin maski mga bata gumagawa. So pati mga adults ngayon sabi, oh, madali lang pala. So I really like that show. I love that show.
Are you agree dun sa nanalo na si Kyle?
Hindi ko lang napanood yung mga last parts, but I know the show.
Si Kyle na nanalo, hindi mo napanood?
Hindi ko masyadong alam.
Okay, thank you Marvin.